Hi guys.
Hi.
So I have the amazing Renee and Wendy with me. Renee Rebar and Wendy, and Sasha's hiding in the back.
Sasha, say hi. Come here, say hi.
Holy cannoli. Come on in. Say
Say
hello.
hi.
So I'm with the amazing women here at the Beam Conference. And if you didn't jump on your ticket this year, holy cannoli, you need to do it next year. But more importantly, I wanted
show
to
up
show
today.
you. Yeah, come today. Yeah, Hickory, North Carolina. Come join the fun.
Says the meetings planner. Exactly.
I know.
Just show up.
I know, just plan a little extra for the travel because it was a little wild getting here.
Oh.
But that being said, when you are incorporating some of these tools to help you connect to your unseen resources, it can be so easy, everyday items to help you really make decisions that you don't regret. And you can use a tea bag for this, or as my wonderful friends, I just brought to them these fun pendulums.
You
Oh
see
my
that?
gosh, look at that.
It's so awesome. It's so cool. It is.
I know, so and you can use just a tea bag, you can use a necklace that has something
It's
hanging
off and
from it.
running.
Yeah, nice and weighted. And the idea is grab a tea bag, make sure it's kind of wet, that way you've got the swinging and the momentum. And then what you're gonna do is take your dominant hand and go ahead and hold the pendulum in your dominant hand. And you can use
Is there a
thumb,
certain way? Okay.
Yeah, thumb, index finger, and middle finger. That's usually a good way to do it because you get a really good connection to your energy. And all you're doing is tapping into your subconscious and seeing what is going to be right for you in this moment.
So,
you can hold
give me
the
a
other
yes.
hand,
Oops,
yeah.
sorry. So,
Yep, you make it still, and then you say, "Show me a yes."
show me a yes.
Show me a yes.
And it's really cool because everybody will get something different. So you'll notice Renee's does a beautiful circle, and so does Wendy's. For me, I get a back and forth, a forward and back for my yes.
Oh.
Now, you're gonna stop it. And now, one cool thing too is both of you, your yes was counterclockwise. So notice that too, because yours might be different. Now you're gonna say, "Show me a no."
Show me a no.
Show me a no.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh, and
it's
look,
going
yours goes side
mine's-
to side. Oh, and so does yours. So see, you want to
Wild.
tap in. So it's all about
That is
tuning
so,
in.
it's so swinging so hard. It's so insane.
I know, right? They're not wiggling their hands.
This is insane.
I know.
I feel like I'm on like a David Copperfield show.
It's just crazy fun, right?
Look at that. Seriously, I am not moving. OMG.
I know, it's so cool. So you can do this also to check. Hey, Mickey, thanks for joining. It's good to see you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
this is so
goodness.
insane.
Yeah, it's wild, right? Because you're not swinging your hands.
No, I am so
You can
still.
check.
I'm like,
Yeah.
it's not gonna move.
Yeah,
And it moved different each time.
It does. It does move different each time. That's
So
why
crazy.
it's good to calibrate. Always say, "Show me a yes, show me a no," and then ask your question like, "Is it great for me to have this extra cup of coffee this morning?"
Oh.
Is it in my best interest? Would this food be good for me? Or, hey, attending the Beam conference next year. Buy your
Yeah.
ticket now.
Right, so I'll say water. So I'll be like, is
Yeah.
the water a good idea for me to have?
There you go. Huh? And it
It's
starts
off
to
and
circle.
running.
Excellent.
That is so weird.
I love
It
love
says
it.
yes.
Yeah.
And I always thought this was a parlor trick. I always thought people were moving their hand. I totally did, and I'm not moving it. I swear on a stack of Bibles. What do you want me to swear on? I
know,
swear.
exactly. I
That
know.
is so
Crazy,
strange.
isn't
Oh,
it?
and it's really moving.
Wow.
It
I mean, it's really moving.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to see if I should run out to get my iced tea.
Ooh, yeah. So is it in your best interest to run out and get your iced tea?
No.
No.
It is straight up telling me in no uncertain terms.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't.
and now it's going even faster.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh. How
That he's
cool
like,
is
do
that?
not go out and buy your iced tea.
Right? And you don't know why, right? Who
No.
knows? But somewhere deep and down inside, there's a better option for you. So
Yeah,
different
like the
tools
water that's right
for
there.
different, yeah. Well, there's the water, I know. But then, different techniques. So when you're looking for help with a
Wow.
yes
Yeah.
or a no type question, this is
Wow.
great to use. So nice, simple
Wow.
yes, no's. Start with something small like what to eat or what to drink. Nothing too crazy like should I buy the farm or sell it? Save that for.
Should I
save it
buy a
until-
car on the way home?
Yeah, should I buy a car on the way home?
Wow, this is so cool.
Oh my God.
Thank you guys for playing with
Well,
me. You're
thank
amazing.
you.
And thanks for
This is-
tuning in.
yeah.
So try this with your tea bag. Let me know how it goes.
Okay.
And I look forward to chatting with you later. Bye, guys.
Hi,
Catch you
this
on the
is
flip side.
insane.
Bye.
This is so cool.